Jupiter transit in Gemini 2025 to 2026 predictions for Capricorn moon sign. General overview. The current tract of Jupiter in Gemini will occur for the Capricorn moon sign in the 6th house from the moon sign on 15th May 2025 at 2:30 am and extend until 2nd June 2026. Jupiter will aspect your 2nd house, 10th house, and 12th house during this transit. Career-wise, there will be free movement of your professional life, indicating sustainability and growth. You will enjoy harmonious relations with other co-workers, which will bring in a blissful and cordial atmosphere at the workplace. Team spirit and coordination are at an all-time high, thus boosting output and job satisfaction. You are likely to experience some minor disputes between you and your partner's interests, but expect this not to disrupt your family life. It will also allow you to explore various places, creating lasting memories. You will have pleasant and enjoyable interactions with the kids and seniors in your life. Through conversations and activities together, you will make lasting memories. Everyone will be happy as these familial ties are strengthened throughout this time. Students in school and lower grades will be stuck with these high grades at this point in time. Clear focus must be demonstrated to gain a positive achievement out of it. Those, therefore, willing to take investments today without major borrowing are on the right track. Avoid the stock market at this time for both bodily and financial reasons, as it may present them with serious setbacks on their financial goals. A few aches may flare up in your thigh area, in which case you should slow down on the heavy lifting. Allow yourself a bit of time before taking on those long journeys, less will impact your health anyway. Career. You must accept professional development during this time. It will provide a vast volume of growth within your job that keeps options open for the future to grow. There will be great improvements between you and your colleagues as your career develops. Support will blend with this nurturing environment so very effectively. You and your team will reach common goals more efficiently in that encouraging work environment. Your contributions, for this reason, will earn you promotions into this position. Raise in your salary is an added feature of the recognized work you have done in this direction. Each such benefit will come because of the effort you put into your work every single day. This time has any number of professional achievements in its wake. There will be joy in your work, and you'll maintain relationships nicely. Building strong relationships will enhance your job experience. Therefore, at this important point in your career, you can make quite a useful contribution. Love, family, and relationship. You shall be attached to your old relatives with close and deep love. Warm and respectful moments shall pass between you. Conversations would flow easily, the bonds would grow stronger over the years. There will be happy family gatherings as everyone would positively work together. These bonds will help you gain insight and comfort. Being in a tough spot with your partner for whom you have the deepest love would at times be an often tough phase. At this point, take a deep breath and try to remain calm. If your partner is displeased and playing funny or acting strangely, don't blame them so hard. Remember, they might be going through some trouble of their own. The weirdness could be due to stress, disturbance, and emotional issues they happen to be facing. Exercise patience and leave them alone to recuperate. Maintain an open line, as conversation can only assist both of you. Married life. In any relationship, it is very normal to have minor disagreements between your needs and those of your partner. These small disputes may arise from different viewpoints, preferences, or priorities. However, these differences aren't going to be a huge imbalance taken against your smooth pace of family life. Such conflicts in fact provide an opportunity for growth and understanding. In the process of dealing with these relatively infrequent disputes, you may very well discover opportunities to visit new places together. New places for your daily routine can be exciting and different. Each excursion makes stories to retell to your kids later in future. These moments spent together not only bond you further but also give you opportunities to have some good times as a family. Certain hitches may appear, however, they will certainly not deter from fun-filled and everlasting memories of you and your adventures. Facing with the new and challenging is constantly what makes your commitment a commitment to keeping family life fresh and vibrant. Finance. Your financial position may be good. Those who wish to invest right now can go ahead. Investing is like sowing a seed that grows into a huge tree after a few years and bears many fruits. However, do not incur huge debts in the process. It can be tempting to take loans and invest, but it is like running a race with heavy weights strapped to your legs. Investing in the stock market requires caution. The stock market is like a fast-moving river. It could sweep you off your feet if you are not careful. Education. School and lower grade students are having it tougher nowadays in achieving better marks. This time starts with some pressures related to exams, assignments, and class participation, so it becomes very important that these students go through a range of studies truly working hard. Postgraduate students are supposed to achieve remarkable feats in their respective academic grounds. For those wanting to continue studying abroad, it's the perfect time for applying for a student visa since approval will ultra-lift their international expeditions and widen educational horizons. Research students have much work to finalize their painful thesis, and to get recognized by any scientific body is crucial for the recognition of the degree. All these things clear the road for future avenues in the respective careers. Health. You may feel some minor discomfort in your thighs, much so that it is best you avoid carrying anything heavy. Lifting heavy things might intensify the pain if any does exist. Long trips are generally not too good for your health, whether they involve sitting for long periods or moving around too much on them. So, perhaps it is best to avoid such trips for now. This will be protective for a healthy life. Though you might have some thigh discomfort, the rest of your health seems stable and secure. Try to keep it easygoing for now and indulge in activities that are not putting any stress on your thighs. Remedies. Place a horse statue in your living room. Daily perform puja to a small-size Kamdhanu statue. Chant Om Nam Shivaya mantra for 10 times daily. Donate food to poor people on Saturday.